All right, welcome back. So, how are we all doing? We are back again in a new video reaction. I just want us to go through this very sad news, very sad news, and it's part of the problem that we are facing. Honestly, whether it's happening in your own community or not, you should be careful and worried about this. A Biafran lady, I say lady, a girl, please, little girl for that matter, encountered Fulani with his brother, encountered Fulani's terrorists in Igbo land, in Biafra land, and the rest is history in terms of what happened to the brother. The story is shocking. Some of you that are on X probably have seen this news, but let us go through it for the sake of those that are not on X and for the sake of those that may not understand what happened there. Let us try our best and digest it properly. Now, the video before you now, this video we are watching, look at it, is the video we are talking about. All right, this is video we are talking about, and a lot happened here. They just covered the body of his brother, of her brother, sorry, and both of them. The story is not somehow, pleasant, but be it as it may, we have to go through it. And after they rape this lady, this girl, I always say lady, is a small girl. This girl should be, maybe 14, 15, because all the Kowobela are already well. But look at, I will try my best to bring, how to remove this. Okay, I think this is the best way. We need to be careful, please. We don't mean to bring any graphic image, any video that is going to upset anybody, but for the sake of knowledge and information, we have to do it in our own way, a kind of trying to tell the whole world. This is a way of telling our story. Do you understand? It as much as it's very sad to hear and very terrible to see, we have to share it for some of us that are asleep to start thinking, to understand the danger at hand. The danger at hand, and it's not only peculiar to Igbo people, it's not about Igbo people alone. I'm going to also share a video of what is going on. Just Fulani activities also in Yoruba land. Yes. So please make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel in case if you're new, and do me a favor by making sure you click on the like button and subscribe to this channel in case if you're new. If you are just new to the platform, please do your best. Make sure you support us. And for the sake of all Ginkere people, understand the cry and the worries of Biafrans on the issue and all this nonsense that is going on now, simply because we want to be a leader. Why people are paying with their life, people are dying and going through a lot of pains, simply because you don't want people to ignore you. You want to be noticed. You want to be the director and the chief executive of anything at all. Now, like I said, we will get to a point where I will take down the video. So we may not share everything. Please try your best to follow us. I'm trying to look for a better way to present it so that it is not going to cause issue. Now I will manage my best. I will manage my time. I will try my best rather to make sure that I will squeeze it as much as I can to make sure that the body of the brother did not appear here. So focus on this video here. You can see these yellow emojis, this crying emojis and all that. Just focus on the video so that that is where the information will be coming from, not from me this time. So let's go there, please.
I got on Thursday. When on that on Friday. Tamuzo okay Makuna Beneve. So in a family die. I say I was say they go Sega. Na Ibu no Tama.
Don't you say you go to Sega?
Eman
agora fez bafia.
Emmanuel.
Okay.
I was say they go to Sega. Ubu machine gawa kwa Beneve. Did you go to share the Sega papa? And I let machine here. Kiana one container the other.
You don't know the machine here.
In the Fulani. Ala buy. Say I used to be her. I said, "Did you her? Where but I know here. Oh, here, I am a ball." I am a level, so I was a yeah, iPhone, say Boba, the buy, not 10 million or like 5. Since Friday, I didn't talk. Since Friday, I didn't talk. So, we go on Saturday, no to talk. I work more, so I have a ego. Now, I may go arrangement
But give us a palette
on Saturday.
on Saturday.
I work on around that time level, PJ Patadigo. Only Sifa with Ofu Nolia, so no katazie ebe mgbede onye isi agbala ọsọ bịa baba mba si ọfa na ha gbara anyị anyị eme n'ihe ọjọọ anyị akpọma polisi abịa na asa na ya kpọọ polisi na ya amahụ na ndị be anyị kpọrọ polisi wee sị na ha yi egbu anyị na ọ bụ na nwanne ha ndị Fulani si na ha yi egbu anyị na ọ bụ na nwanne ha nwoke apụtara na-ejidego nwanne ha nwoke kụọ ya akwụkwọ so ha wee sị na ha yi egbu anyị anyị na-arịọ ha since ahụ anyị na-akpọkwa kọ na-agba ndị ji nwanne ha nwoke ha hapụ nwanne ha nwoke na ha sị na ọ bụ na ha hapụ nwanne ha nwoke na ha yi ugbu anyị ọrụ aka anyị na-emezi sinsi bifo fon anyị wee nyụọ na mgbede Satọde ahụ ma wee wetakwa batrị ọzọ tii anyị mebikwa kọl on Sọnde anyị na-akpọ ha makọtara kpọrọ anyị klọs ọ mmiri pụtakwa anyị amaghị sinsi ahụ anyị ji bịa n'ime ọya anyị amaghị ebe ahụ ọfịa mgbakọ nye ma bụ onye ma na ọfịa mgbakọ ka anyị nọ ya Emmanuel.
And the Emmanuel they're talking about is one we are seeing here. Okay, that because Fulani later unalive him. Reason is the reason. The reason is the main issue that made me to say, okay, let me bring this video, because some of you that watch video you know already. But let me tell you before the video will get to that point. They asked him to sleep with his sister. This is his sister, both of them. This guy here and this one, the lady here, this girl here. They asked his own biological brother to sleep after sleep, because Fulani slept with this one. Then they now asked this guy, which happened to be her brother, to now sleep with her. The guy said over his dead body, they begin to butcher him. At the end, they send him to judgment.
Yesterday, for one man, one was here, you could open, no cook, na you. I will say the manager go to cigar, na Otaba. The man will get a cigar, we put a one of my master, and by then, Fulani and cross 1 million, now you can't ever, and Fulani go. I will put 1 and 1.
Are you hearing that? They force themselves on him, on her, and force themselves on one of their, I think their sister or a relation, because not one eye. One eye in Igbo language could be a biological sister, one eye, or relatives. Like we're again.
I went and said, I phone, I went one divine. I will tell her ego. I was not 20 millions, not 10 million. The Fulani, not 20 million. I asked you, had I knew, had I seen not 20 million characters and about 10 million. Phone now, I was not phone. I knew. Now, higher get a jail. Look at the fan out of a hole. West Emmanuel West Side, one pocket. Pussy, you were back. I was I would eat better. I would eat better now. Everything on that was I did not. I will let my Emmanuel. The blues of them are very good. West I would eat better. I would eat better. Call for me. I thought someone them I have fully until we fly. West now you blue. Emmanuel.
Don't say Emmanuel.
Fulani. I work close on me. West I lie down. I lie down. I think you papa. You papa. I say I had dinner. You dinner.
In Anya.
This normal me. Come on, and make us see. Back ages with Tizio.
It is a mabuto boyan.
Emmanuel.
Then do good over the young. It is a mabuto young. So, Mexican, give me again.
I was more mutilab apple, Naka, has some of 1 million. Say, I said more also. Bombers also is in me. A crack ebb. We use a Sabaram. Abalas also. That is using Donadian. We seen the Fulani. Our ballas also that was a has what I read.
Now, this is her story. Do you can just imagine the trauma, the fear, the torture this girl went through? So, for those of you that contributed in one or two things that stabilized Biafran Liberation Army, clap for yourself. Job well done, job well done. This is the dividends of your action. One of it out of many, and more are going to more are still coming. Ndị Chineke ga-akpọ ọkụ ebuka ọkwa niile ndị Chineke ga-akpọ ọkụ ka nkụ na nke ikpeazụ a, but one after another. One after another. Please, let us go to another one. I just want to, because activities of Fulani.
Oh, Chimbo.
This is one. This is another dividends of your action.
Oh, Chimbo.
Okay, this is one of the dividends, like one of the gain that Biafrans are, our own gain for having people like you. You know yourself. You know yourself. All of you that signed petition against PM, all of you that that went to Finland to testify, all of you that that told the Federation Army to stop, all of you that said that no, Zabog must be the one. Instead, everything scattered. All of you that claim that you have PM connect you to different Liberation Army, therefore you can now have office of APM and all that nonsense. Those of you that shared success number to connect success for success to connect them to the Liberation Army. Those of you that act as if you are middleman between different Liberation Army and Biafrans in the name of success, and all you know yourself, you know your role so far, because you are beginning to mention them, I begin to explain or remind Biafrans or remind us, because I myself included, of your activities and your ordeals so far. The video will be very, 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 very long. So I always want my uploading video to be, limited, unless on a special case that we may have some 40, 45, 50 minutes video as an upload video. But in that case, we need to go through marathon in name of in our recording. So, but here I want to maintain the normal minutes. Now, let me bring to you this video. This one happened in Yoruba land. Okay, take a look. Now let me bring it properly, because I'm trying to share the screen. Okay, read this, because everything that this Koko will say here now is in Hausa language. For some of you that understand Northern language, Fulani language, or whatever language, credit to you that I have knowledge of what he was talking about based on this write-up, and that's why I have to bring the write-up together for people like me that don't understand anything Hausa language or Fulani language, anything at all, any Northern language I don't understand. Now listen. Suspected kidnappers in Ode, Ifolodu, Kwara State. In addition, the vigilantes recovered several weapons, including AK-47 rifles, along with the hard ahike, mekubinto, and various items seized from victims. Then recovered items goes in today by weekend in Yoruba land. Now, let's see if you can understand what this Oyalo Anakulu here. Let me see if I can minimize a little bit. Now, pay attention. Nke a bụ ahụike ọgwụ na iyi nsogbu.
Daga baballa me sananka
tsakani da Allah ne dan kungiya ne kana jin
kungiya me
yaron haro ne tsakani da Allah bai san na taro wannan abu kuma daga na dawo wajenci na je gidan yari daga na je ya dawo ya hana ni sata ya ce kai kara daga ran nan ban kara ba sai wannan waye da bindigan nan
Why Aro?
Kace Allah haro
Kachalaro.
Wallahi mai gera amma wallahi bai sani ba.
Bai san shine da
ba sai na dauko ka na to.
To suwa suka kidnapping din baban nan. Suwa suka kidnapping din baban nan.
Wallahi Smoli shi ya kawo.
Shi ya kawo ku. Why Smoli?
Wallahi yana can ba san da.
Shi ya kawo ku. Ku zo ku yi kidnapping din shi. Da kai aka je gida?
I don't understand anything there. I won't lie.
Da kai. Da kuka je gidan da kai da waye kuka je gidan.
Da ni Sale da Reti da Abacha da Simoni.
Ko nawa kenan. Bindigan nan ire-iren su guda nawa yake.
Please, if you know anything that he's saying, you can put it on comment section, please. Don't lie to us. If you don't, please, no need to put.
Ba ka san inda aka yadda shi ba.
Abacha na ta ya boye.
Ya boye. Za a yafe ma. Ai yafe ma dole za a yafe ma. Sauran mutane ya za a same su.
Ni yanzu da za a taimaka dan samun magani ya bani ruwa in sha duk mutane zan kamo su guda.
Ya za ka yi ka kamo su.
Amma fa zakani da Allah daga na je gida ya na dawo wallahi ban kara ba bai gena kowa ba.
Me ya kai ka gidan yari?
Ibrahim yana tsayawa
wannan ban so ka dinga abin nan din bakinka. Abin da na tambaye ka interview din da nake maka yana da ka'ida. Abin da na tambaye ka za ka gaya mu. Abin da ban bukata ba lallai ba. Da ka je yari laifin mai kai ka je gidan yari.
da yari. Dani da Allah can nake maka.
Can kake kai mai? Nake kasata. A sai ka saba.
Bana kuma
shekara nawa kai a gidan yari? Shekara biyu. An sallame ka dawo ya kamata ka canza ba ka canza ba. Ka zo ka shiga mummunan hali.
Bana shekara biyu ban je ko ina aro ya hana mu.
Ƙarya kake.
I think all this is his confession. They're trying to interrogating him.
Yanzu yake nan kai ka ɗauko shawarin yaro. Bai san kai ka
I go to the
lokacin da ka ɗauka abin da guda nawa ne kwayan harshashi guda nawa ne.
I got no go blog you.
30.
Up on
Okay. 30. Da ɗaya. To, idan kana so yi ma alfarma, dole ka taimaka ma kanka saboda mu taimaka maka. Kasan akwai wasu mutane yara wanda har yanzu ana garkuwa da su. Za ka iya taimaka mana ka gaya mana inda kuka ajiye wa'incan su ma.
Ba wanda na ake.
Amma ka san inda suke yi. Tsakani da Allah ka sani. Dama niyanmu idan za ka iya ka gaya mana gaskiya mu samu.
Ni gaskiya zan gawa.
Tabbatar da su saboda kai ma alfarma. To tun da baka iya wannan na gani ba wani alfarman da za yi ma.
Kana ji? Oga, tsakani da Allah don na ce ma na sani. Amma kwana na an dauke su nan. Na ji an ce yaran ore zan ɓalli shi ya dauke su. Amma ban tabbatar ba.
Amma yaran oren ka san su? Su nawa ne?
Wanda suka yi aikin ban sani ba. Na ai yanzu yara.
I think I need to end it here because I just want you to see how the interrogation, took place. What happened as the vigilante in the Yoruba land, captured this one and asked some questions. The people that captured him, they are not Nigerian army, and we don't see villagers where the vigilantes are operating being ransacked and bomb houses down. Because Yorubas, of course, no understand the job of their vigilante. In as much as they are not as strong as our own, but our people are the one weakening our own. Their own is vigilante, our own is Biafran Liberation Army. Whether you like it or not, that's what it is. Even the Yoruba man, Ruben Abati, recently said that the Biafran war has not ended. Just like everybody know, just that nobody want to talk. It has not ended. It's not ended. It's not as if because Igbos want it to prolong. It has not ended because those who say they won the war, that they introduced Terr0ri, which they call the reintegration, rehabilitation, and the restructure, something like that. They refuse to implement it. And as an Igbo man, you are being seen as trophy of the war. So anytime they want to bring that trophy, they will do. They bring it. They want to throw it up. They throw it up. So you are not counted as part of the system, even though people are trying to force themselves to show that I am here. I kill. But those who claim they won war, they have won the war and all that. It's not as if I don't want to talk about the war on this program, but everybody know what is going on. In fact, I'm not angry to anybody, to them, but I'm angry to our people. Personally, I am not happy with the way some of us reason. Mazam Nakano's wife, the role she played, and Bianco Juku, Bianco No, all the DOS members, Mega Give, the senior observers, all of them, you know them, Isaiah Oba, the list go on and on. Let Ifeanyi Oba tried his own to talk about PM, all in the name to make sure they bring PM down. Have we forgot that that they sent series of people to go and unalive PM before even this attempt of arrest and kidnapping? They have used other mechanism. They did not succeed. The best thing to do is to bring Bianco Juku, Bianco No to the system and help her to, instruct her the job to carry out. And look at what is going on now. And you can't see Bianca condemning anything now. Look at the young girl that just played to you, her video now, her story. And that young guy, they have sent him to judgment. Well, for what offense? Is he also Biafran Liberation Army? The answer is no. It could be anybody. Remember, they requested for 10 million. We did not talk about financial role and the whole thing that happened. They asked them to pay 10 million. They brought the money. They changed it to 20 million. Fundraising. You want to see what the money gain made before you donate the money. I thought it should be after paying money, then you start asking questions. You want to justify when others pay. You want to know how they spend other people's money before your own. What if the money they contribute is not good enough to carry out that thing that can entice you to pay more? Ransom money is not negotiable. Sometimes you after paying the money you pay with your life. One of the reasons why they're actually going after our young men is this, because they know people cherish men more. Not that the women are not important, they are, but they feel that as an Igbo man, as an Igbo person, Igbo family, we put male child first before female. That's number one. Number two is to reduce your people in number, in case if there's anything that like I cannot know in general, can be with enough people to help you and do that. And may the soul of the guy rest in peace. He's very, very, somebody who is well cultured, and it's not easy. Ebonian man cases. Was there that 1 year while open every how now you have to kill me? They started killing him. He's not so quick, allow me to do alone. He gave his life just to maintain the principle. And I can't sleep with my sister, is forbidden in our land. Do you understand it? May his soul rest in peace, and may God console his family. Very, 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 very terrible news. Please tell me what you think about it. God bless you. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you again. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye for now.